Hello kids, this is teacher Betty. Welcome to another week of online class. Today we will see and learn the animals at the zoo. So let us listen and watch this video.
Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Let's see. It's the elephant. It's the elephant. I love the elephant. How about you? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's that? It's a giraffe. It's a giraffe. I love the giraffe. How about you? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Let's see. It's a zebra. It's a zebra. I love the zebra. How about you? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Let's see. It's a lion, it's a lion. I love the lion. How about you? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Let's see. It's a tiger, it's a tiger. I love the tiger. How about you? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's that? It's a rhino. It's a rhino. I love the rhino. How about you? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? Let's see. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. I love the monkey. How about you? Who's at the zoo? Who's at the zoo? It's the penguin. I love the penguin. How about you?
Alright kids, let's name the animals. Elephant, lion, zebra, giraffe, tiger. All right, let's do it together. Let's practice. Elephant, lion, zebra, giraffe, and tiger. We have just finished recalling and reviewing the vocabulary words. Now, let's have a memory game. What's the missing picture? I will give you 10 seconds for each set. Are you now ready? And the answer is zebra. Next, number 2. What's missing? And the answer is giraffe. The last one. What's missing? And the answer is elephant. For your activity, please click the attached link below and do it. And this is Teacher Betty, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.